Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we are doing more CKA labs because I'm just obsessed with Kubernetes. I want to get my CKA and I just lab every day. And if you're also trying to go for the CKA, go ahead and leave a comment on the description below and maybe we can link and we can, just practice together. Why not? So this video, another lab by KillerCoda because I love KillerCoda because it's free and they have a bunch of labs. So let's go ahead and start this. Troubleshooting, only two. So this one should be an easy one, right? Resources, used for resources, pods. For this question, please set this context in. Let's go ahead and set the context. So the nginx pod is not running. Fix that issue. Awesome. So I love this. I love those. KA. Let's go K get pod nginx. That is right. It's not running. You can see right here, error image pull. So it's not able to pull the image. Clear. So okay, get. Is this one a deployment? No deployments. Okay, so let's do okay. Describe pod nginx. Let's see that. So it tells you right here. Pull an image nginx. LTEST. So I guess I forgot to put an A to say latest, right? So it failed to pull the image. So there was an error because it couldn't find the image because the name is incorrect. So it's not able to put that image. You can also see it right here. So we need to go ahead and edit the name of the image. Unfortunately, you cannot edit a pod because it's just not possible. So the quickest way that I have found is to do a k get pod nginx pod, right? And then we are going to export this as a YAML file, and then we are going to put it in a YAML file. So we can just call it the same as a pod .yaml, like that. And then I go ahead and edit that. Before we do that, let's go ahead and delete this pod nginx pod. And I just say force so you can do it a little bit quicker. Okay, get pod is not in there anymore. So the nginx pod is not in there, but we do have it in a YAML file so we can deploy it again. So yeah, we have to delete a bunch of stuff in here just to make it more readable for you, for me, and anybody else. Right? Just remove like all this stuff that we don't need, resources, like none of this stuff we need. Right? We don't need any of that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going ahead and delete it. And we are going to end up with a really tiny YAML file. So let's go ahead and delete 100 down. Bye-byes. So this is what you need right here. The rest of the stuff that we just deleted, right, it's just default configuration that Kubernetes adds to the pod. And we don't need that. We don't even need a namespace, because that's just a default namespace, right? Image pool, we don't even need that, guys. We don't need that. We do not need that, right? All we need to is right here, say latest, and that should fix it. Even though if you put just nginx by itself, it's going to put the latest anyways, because that's the default of what it does. All right, let's go ahead and save this guy. Yep, and then K create F nginx pod has been created. K get pod. It is creating the container. Running. Awesome. Now K describe pod nginx. There we go. Now it was able to pull the image successfully because we fixed the name. They actually had a typo there or forgot to add an A. So yeah, guys, if you guys like this video, I think you should guys go ahead and hit the like button because it's free. Subscribe to my channel because it's free, and share this video because it's also free. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. And if you are going for your CKA right now, go ahead and leave a comment in the description below and maybe we can link up. Thank you guys. See you on the next one. Bye bye.